Hello my dear children, welcome to your own class of maths. My dear children, in the previous class I have explained how to find the square root and how to find the number of digits in the square root. Then I have explained how to solve question number 1, means what the least number should be added to the given numbers to make them perfect square. Here the question says that what the least number must be added to make it a perfect square. My dear children, subtraction and addition are little different. Correct? When we are subtracting the numbers, we were going to find the lowest square or the nearest smaller square. But when we will try to add, we will try to find the nearest higher square number. That I shall discuss with this solution. So dear children, first of all find its square root using long division method. So using long division method find square root. You know, first of all make a pair. It is near the square of 2. 2 2s are 4. You got 3. 3 and whole pair you write here. 0 8. 2 2 4. 4 we got, that will go to the tens place. Ones place will become empty. Now here it is 8. What number you should fill here in order to get the near about number? Because it is not a perfect square. This you know very well. This is not a perfect square. So if you take 4 7s are 28. No? If I take 7, let us see what I will get. No, 7 will be more. Let me take 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 4s are 24 and 3 27. If I will take 8, 8 8s are 64. 6 8 4s are 32 and 6 38. It will be more. So we shall go for 6 only. We shall get 276. 8 minus 6 2, 10 minus 7 3. So 32 is the remainder. My dear children, if the question would be to find the smallest number that to be subtracted, so we could easily subtract 32, but we cannot subtract 32, we have to add. My dear children, if I write 708, so 708 is greater than the square of 26. Do you agree or not? Obviously you should agree. Why? Because this much quantity is being more than 26 square. It means it will be less than 27 square. Otherwise we would be writing here 27. Correct? So, what is 27 square? You will write 708 lies between 26 and square and 27 square. Therefore, number to be added will be equal to 27 square minus 708. Just find which number you are going to subtract, my dear. See, it will be 27 square is 729 minus 708. Correct? It means 21. Some mistake I am doing. Correct. So, what number should be added to 708 to make it a perfect square? So, the number added to make it a perfect square is 21. Meaning to say, if we add 21 to the number 708, it will become a perfect square, that is square of 27. I hope you understood. I will take one more example, C1. Let us see. So first of all, same method you should go for. It's longer division method. Pair. So it will be near 5 square. 5 5 ja 25. 7 and 100, 719. Add it. 5, 10. 7 times if you will take, it will become 107. 749, so you will go for 6. 106, it will become 636. How? If it is 100, no, it will become 100 something. Whatever number you will fill here. So if you take 7, so 107, 749. But you need a less smaller number. Now subtract 9 minus 6, 3. Here 11 minus 3, 8. 83 is remaining. It means this number, then you will write therefore this 3219 is greater than 56 square. Obviously greater because we are getting a remainder. If this much number would not be here in this number, it would be a perfect square. And it will be obviously less than 57 square. This number is lying between 56 square and 57 square. So we have to add the number. Which number we will add? Therefore, the number to be added which number? 57 square minus 3219. So 57 square, find. 7 7 ja 49, 4 carry, 7 5 ja 35, 2 ja 70 and 4, 74, and 5 5 ja 25 and 7, 32. So you will write 3249 minus 3219 is equal to 30. Is equal to 30. So which number you should add in this? If you will add 30 in this, you will get 3249 and that will be a perfect square. I hope you got the method. You can write in this manner. Let us go for the next question solution. What does it say? Let us see. Dear children, see question number 3. Question number 3 says that 4,225 soldiers are arranged in different rows so that there are as many rows as the number of soldiers in a row. Find the number of rows. See, we have the number of soldiers . 4,225. We want number of rows equal to number of soldiers in a row. That is X. Within brackets, say. Say means assume. So, did you get the question? Question says that there are different soldiers. There are some soldiers, 4,225 soldiers. The commander wants to make them arranged in a manner that if there are X soldiers in a row, there should be X rows also. Like that. Means number of rows means lines, and number of soldiers in each row should be equal. So in terms of X, how many soldiers will be there? So therefore, according to question, X into X. If you need to find total number of soldiers, how do you do? You will multiply the number of rows with number of columns. For example, I take a smaller example and make you understand. See, if you are having 2 soldiers and you are having 2 rows, so in each you can see 2 soldiers and 2 rows, so total 4 are there. If I have 3 soldiers and I should have 3 rows also, so 3, 3, 6 and 3, 9. So how will I get the value total? 9. This one also 2 into 2, that is 4. Similarly, if I have 4 soldiers and 4 rows, so what total number of the soldiers I shall get? 4, 4, 8, 4, 12 and 4, 16. So 4 into 4, that is 16. Similarly, I am writing here X into X because X rows are there and X columns are there. And total we are given as 4225. It means X square is equal to 4225. It means we need to find its square root. So, what will be square root of 4225? Find here. Six is 36, 7, 25. Here it will be 12. If you take 5 here, it will become 725. It will be 0. Correct? So it will be 65 square. So at the place of X, you will get 65. So you will write comparing coefficients from both sides. Comparing bases. X, that is, there should be there should be 65 soldiers and 65 rows, and this will be our answer. I hope you understood. The same question is 4 and same question is 5. There is no difference there. Only the digits are being changed, situation is being changed. I shall explain. A gardener plants 3,364 trees in such a way that there are as many rows as there are trees in a row. Same question. You will write, let the number of rows equal to number of trees in a row equal to X. Then, according to question here, you can write number of soldiers, no? Here this line should be written here. This implies number of soldiers X into X. It means you will write here in the next fourth question, number of trees equal to X into X, given X into X equal to 3,364. Then you find that is square root and you write here. That will be your answer. Similarly, question number 5 is also there. A club collected rupees 7,225 for a charity. Charity means dan for social work. Each member contributed as many rupees as there were number of members of the club. Suppose 50 members are there, so every member donated 50 rupees. In this manner, means if 10 members are there, every member is donating 10 rupees. 40 members are there, every member is donating 40 rupees. Like that, you will write in the same manner. Number of or total amount received for 7,225. Number of members equal to the or you will write amount of charity given by each member is equal to number of members in the club equal to X. Then total rupees collected equal to X into X. X into X equal to 7,225. Find the square root and you will get the answer. In the same manner you have to solve. And if you are not able to solve, reply me, but I am pretty sure that you will be able to solve. And by this way, this square section is finished. The remaining sections shall be discussed in the videos produced or recorded after the vacation, or as per the condition maybe. If the schools are open, I pray to God that the school should be open and you should be there in the classroom. This COVID may leave its effect, may go, and it leaves us in positive vibes, so that we can study with more enthusiasm, more courage, more bravery, and we will learn more. So in the next session, coming session, I shall be discussing the remaining topics. Okay. Till then, take care. Thank you so much.